first breath. Hundreds are coming back to life. They may not have eaten for 8 months, so they immediately head down to the plains to feed. But even though there's almost no food or water up here, this female stays behind because she's pregnant. With a growing belly, she's becoming slow and vulnerable to predators. For 2 months, she'll barely move, conserving all her energy. Droplets cling to microscopic grooves in her scales, so she can suck moisture from the surface of her 3-foot-long body. It's just enough to keep mom and babies alive. Her due date is finally here. Her contractions begin. She doesn't lay eggs. She gives birth to live young. A first breath. By the end of the night, mom delivers 6 more babies. They'll all spend the winter in the den.